Justin B. of Burbank, California, sent us this question. Do plastic and glass bottles make the same sound when you blow across their top? We thought we'd try and find out. All right, let's try to blow on it.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. Now let's see if the plastic bottle sounds the same.
This one's higher.
They sound pretty much the same. It's cool.
How about
All right, let's try
water?
filling with water to see if it changes any sound in it. When?
Oh, when? Okay.
Oh, let's try filling this one.
Let's use this one because this one's kind of. See,
Doesn't matter.
this one moves around. Okay.
Oh.
Say now.
No. That's good. Let's see if they're equal.
This one is a little more.
That's a little higher.
Okay, so should we like now? Is it much better?
Perfect.
Okay.
All right, so let's slow on this one. Got higher. Why do you think it got higher?
Because there's more water in it, and
It was less space. Yeah, I think there's less space. And
there's
then
no space for the sound to go
there to
through.
go, yeah. Let's try this one. Got higher. That's awesome.
I don't know why that one got higher.
I think because this gets slim right here. It's like, it's thick down here, but then it gets slim up here. And this one, it's like wide all the way up here, and just at the top it gets skinny. Let's try to make it so that they sound the same.
So what do you think we should do?
Pour more water in to make the pitch higher.
Okay. Tell me when.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Still.
This one's slower.
Okay, so
Let some
pour
water
more
out.
water in that one.
No, just let some water out here. Nope, not yet.
Yeah. Terrible at it. Same time.
Yep, that sounds pretty cool. So they got them the same. Let's see what the water level is like now. A little bit less than an inch more water than before. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's because this is wider, and it has more space to go in than this one because this one's thinner, and this one has less space to go in.
Now it's time for you to experiment. Think of a question that you want answered, like do different shaped bottles make different sounds? Make a prediction, then test out your question and send your reports to Zoom.